Hello everyone! Today we are going to talk about the impact of video games. Let's explore both the positive and negative sides of gaming and how it affects our lives. In recent years, video games have become an important part of many people's lives, especially young people. I sometimes play video games myself, so I understand both the fun and the possible problems they bring. Video games can offer entertainment, creativity, and even learning opportunities, but they can also lead to addiction and social isolation if not managed well. In my opinion, the impact of video games depends on how we use them. On the positive side, video games can help improve thinking skills and other abilities. Many games require players to think strategically, react quickly and solve problems, which can be useful in real life. For example, games that need teamwork can help people learn how to cooperate and communicate better. Personally, I have found that some games have taught me patience and persistence, especially when facing difficult levels that need multiple tries. These qualities are helpful not only in games but also in daily life. However, there are also negative effects of playing video games too much. Some people, especially teenagers, may spend hours in front of a screen without taking breaks. This can lead to a lack of physical activity, which may cause health problems like poor posture and eye strain. In my own experience, I have noticed that spending too much time on games can make me feel tired and less productive in other activities, such as studying or exercising. Additionally, some people might escape from real-life problems by turning to the virtual world, which can lead to loneliness and a lack of real-life social connections. Finding a balance between gaming and other activities is very important. In my opinion, the best way to enjoy video games responsibly is to set limits and focus on real-life responsibilities. While video games can be relaxing, it is important to remember that true happiness comes from real-life achievements, relationships, and personal growth. For me, I find it helpful to use gaming as a reward after completing my tasks. This approach allows me to enjoy games without feeling guilty and helps me stay disciplined. In conclusion, video games can have both positive and negative effects. When used wisely, they can improve creativity, problem-solving skills, and resilience. But if not controlled, they can lead to health problems and social isolation. In the end, the impact of video games depends on the choices we make and our ability to balance virtual entertainment with real-life commitments. Now, I'm going to ask you 2 questions about today's article. Write your answers in a comment down below. 1. What are some skills that video games can help improve? 2. Why is it important to balance gaming with other activities? Okay, that's all for today's lesson. Keep practicing your English and I'll see you next time.